Hey guys, this is Miss Cuban again. I'm going to discuss how to find the prime factorization. And so, prime factorization is just a way to write down all the prime factors that go inside a number. And the number that we normally do is composite numbers. But it can be any number. So let's do an example. We use a factor tree to help us. And for this example, let's choose 126. So I will use a factor tree. I ask myself, what number, it could be any number, what number goes into 126? In my mind, I say, okay, well, if it's a really big number, but I look at it, is it even or odd? Well, this number is even, so I'm going to start off with 2. 2 times what is equal to 126? Now, I don't know about you, but I don't know that easily in my head. So I'm going to go on the side and do my division. 2 goes into 126. 2 goes into 1, 0 times. 2 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, I get a 1. Bring down my 2. 2 goes into 12. 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12, subtract, and I get 6, or 0, bring down my 6. 2 goes into 6 3 times, subtract, and you get 0. So I know that 2 times 63 is equal to 126. Now I keep going. 2, I ask myself, is 2 prime? Yes. Is 63 prime? No. So I need to keep going with 63. Now my multiplication facts, I know that 7 times 9 is 63. So I'm going to write 7 times 9. And I ask myself, is 7 prime? Yes. Is 9 prime? No. So I need to keep going. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So I ask myself again, is 3 prime? Yes. Is 3 prime? Yes. Okay. Now, there are 2 ways to write down my prime factorization, 2 different types of notation. And so, let me erase this little work over here so I can show you. The most common way, and the first way you should write it, is in expanded form. Expanded form is just writing down your prime factors in order from least to greatest. So I have 2 times 3 times 3 times 7 is equal to 126. The way we actually want our final answer to be is with exponents, and that's going to be called exponential form. And what that means is we count how many of each number we have. In this case, I have 1, 2, so I'm just going to write 2 once. Times. My next number was 3. But how many 3's do I have? Well, I have 1 3, 2 3's. So my exponent is going to be 2. Multiply by 7. I only have 1 7. And so then I said equal to 126. This answer is my final answer. It must be an exponential notation for it to be your final answer. Okay? That is how we do prime factorization.